I wish I flew one of these.
One day you will.
Over there, they're letting them on. There's too much people. Oh, Paul, look, the firefighter.
Oh, look at this. You can see everything, Joseph. Look at this. Wow. What they were doing here?
Life-saving techniques that they use at this time to keep the survivor alive. They can even sort of a small field surgery out there and make sure that people are safe to be recovered via the helicopter or C-130. Once extracted via the helicopter, they can take them to a safe place, either transferred via the ground, to a hospital, or onto a faster flying aircraft. The pararescue have now entered back into the water and are prepared for the extraction out. The Zodiac boat will maneuver out of the way so that it is not going to get swept up into the rotor. At this time, the HH-60 is going to bring itself in and maneuver into position. You can see number 2 aircraft will stay above and slightly to the behind to clear from number 1 aircraft. There's the strap which they will hoist the survivor out with. Those of you who have never climbed up a rope ladder is extremely difficult. This is after the pararescue have swam for numerous minutes in the water. Ladies and gentlemen, that concludes the water portion of the demonstration. Thank you for attending. We ask at this time that you please move back behind the tent so that we can prepare the flight deck.